Hi guys, welcome to this week's episode of MissPlanIt. We are so glad you could join us. This week we have a request from a community member and her name is Linda. And Linda writes, I'm decorating for a small indoor wedding. I would really love to recreate and use this lighting feature. Thanks for all of your inspiration, Linda. Well, Linda, I'm so excited to show you how we can make this light feature for a fraction of the cost. Actually, under $45 if you can believe it. Yeah, that's what we're doing. That's what we're going to do today. So guys, without further ado, let's create this beautiful lighted crystal chandelier for Linda as well as you guys for under $45. Okay guys, let's get to it. So first we're going to go ahead and prepare our wire wreath frame. Now, I did not get this from the dollar store, but sometimes you can find this size at the dollar store, so check them out. We're going to first spray it with our ivory spray paint, and then while it's wet, we're going to go ahead and put our diamond glitter on, and then we're going to do the same thing to our chain. So let's go ahead and get that done. Now that our wreath is dry, you have an option to spray it with a clear acrylic if you'd like to. It's just an extra step. It's not necessary. You don't have to do it. I actually didn't do it for this, and my glitter pretty much stayed on my wreath the whole time. So we're going to attach our two LED fairy lights on it, and notice they are battery operated, so we have to disguise those batteries. We're going to do that by using some glitter ribbon, just simple ribbon. We're just sitting it on the underside. You'll notice that the top side is rounded, the underside has kind of concave, and that's where we're sitting the battery pack in. We're simply going to wrap the battery pack completely with our ribbon and secure it with some hot glue. Now that we have secured both battery packs, we're ready to wrap our fairy lights. So I've turned them on so that you can see them, how I'm wrapping them. It's really kind of like a diamond pattern. So we're going to go all the way to the end, and then we're going to go back. This way you'll have plenty of light shining through the next step we're going to do, which is adding our crystal beaded stems. So we've strung our lights onto our wire frame, and as you can see, it's actually quite beautiful just that far. But now we're going to add our crystal beaded stems, and I've cut the stem in about, giving me about an inch or so. That way I just put a dab of hot glue at the stem and wrap it around the outer rim. So I'm going to do the inside rim first, and then once I've done all of the inside, I'm going to go back and do the outside rim. Make sure that you have your wire frame on the correct side. You want it to be on the rounded side so that your beads will show through the lights. So again, once we've attached our stems to the inside rim, we're going to repeat that same thing by attaching the stems to the outside rim, so you get an overlapping. In addition to that, make sure you cover your battery packs thoroughly with your stems. So wonderful, we've attached the stems to the outer rim as well as the inner rim, and now we're ready to flip it over and to fluff it. This is very important because you want the light from the fairy lights to disperse evenly as possible. So we're going to go ahead and pull our beads apart so that it just creates a beautiful cascading effect, and we're ready to attach our chain. I'm attaching each chain at a crossbar section. That way the chain will not travel back and forth when you hang it. It will stay in place. You're going to simply open one end with your wire pliers, attach it, squeeze the wire pliers, it stays in place. And then we're going to attach it to our spring hook. Well, Linda, how did we do? It's absolutely gorgeous. So I just set it up for us. I attached it to an arch frame, which I will absolutely put that link in the description for you guys because it's a wonderful arch frame, especially for small spaces. And I also just attached some lamb's ear stems to the top just to kind of cover up the hook, and so gives the illusion that it's just floating there. I can also put that in the links for you also. It's a very simple thing to do. I hope that it met your vision. I'm so grateful that you asked us to be a part of your special day. And with that being said, if you would like to send us a comment or just like the post, please do. Don't forget to subscribe so you're notified of every time we post. And if you want an extra special notification, click on that little bell right there in the corner and you will get an extra special note the moment our videos are live. You can also follow us on our social media, and that would be Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and Pinterest. And if you have not already signed up for your Rakuten, formerly known as Ebates account, I don't know what you're waiting for. Head on down to the description, click on the link, sign up for your account. When you're ready to shop, sign on to your account, find your vendors and make your qualified purchases, and receive a check at the end of the month for your shopping efforts. You don't want to miss this. Well, our time again has come so quickly to an end. I'm so appreciative of all of you who take the time out to hang out with us every time we post. And I'm just so grateful for your comments and your encouragement and your suggestions. And our community is just awesome. I love how we all help each other. No one knows everything, but we all know all things. So I'm so grateful for you guys to helping each other as well as supporting and helping me. In addition to that, don't forget that the links to the supplies that we use for all of our projects are always in the description right below. Just click on that show more. I believe that's what it says now, show more, and you'll see all of the links to all of the products that we use in our projects. Ooh, that's a lot of P's. In addition to that, you'll find the links to our social media, you'll find the links to Rakuten, you'll find the links to everything that you need so that you can create the DIY wedding or event of your dreams. Don't also forget to click on that little icon in the corner and go over to our website, because we have so many cost-saving tips on our website. We just can't put them all here on our YouTube channel. So head on over to our website, MissPlanIt.com, and just check out all of our awesome blogs on how you can save money for your wedding or event of your dreams. Don't miss out on that. In addition to that, don't forget to check out our social media, because we have some wonderful, wonderful things on there. Also, our Pinterest page, I love it. It's one of my faves, even though it's mine is one of my faves. But anyway, check it out. Well, guys, until next time, I want you to always remember, when every penny counts, you can count on MissPlanIt. Please take care of yourself. We'll see you soon. God bless.